Now, I know that we are the first of our kind, and you haven't seen anything like this, where, again, the gaming studio allows you to duplicate their whole business model due to the fact that we are RMT game and stuff like that. So we'll be able to share everything from our revenue to our basically how we build everything. And you can just basically duplicate it with the game world. So as we run everything when it comes to the whole development process and game we run what's put in the game. When it comes to how the studio makes money and stuff like that, we share that way with you as well. Sorry if you hear the Discord going off. Um, this always going off due to how much active our Discord is. So if you are in the Discord, you definitely want to go there, meet the people that made all this possible. And so what we're going to do right now is get into the training of the back office of everything, how you run your server, and all of the things that you can do. Now, be very, very honest with you. Due to the fact that this is how we run our business and everything, it's going to be very, very overwhelming to you due to the fact that if you don't have any business experience, this will kind of be like speaking another language. But we will be training our server managers on this right here, so you don't got to worry about the things like if you don't want to deal with any of this stuff, you can just pass it down to the server managers. Now there is a fee if we handle this for you. There's a $69.95 fee every month. And we handle everything. We handle basically all the business side behind the scenes and everything that we basically run this for you. We will have a server manager that we trust and everything. Of course, we make sure this is the best one for you. We'll appoint one to you and make sure that they do all the stuff, all the contracts and all that like that stuff that I'm about to go into in a few seconds. So when you see it, you will see that yes, this is business. This isn't like anything that you have ever came across. And we had tied it into the game where it just works. Who would have known gaming? Gaming was one of the best, if not the best, type of online business opportunity that possibly can happen for someone. So, with further ado, let's go ahead and jump onto the computer. I'll see you in there. All right, so we are in the computer. So, welcome to Project Spartan. This is the back office of Project Spartan right now. Let me move this other way. These guys aren't paying me. So let's get into it. So this is basically like the welcome screen right here. Basically, to see everybody that's here. We don't worry, we're changing it from employee because you guys aren't employees. So we have getting people inside of it now. Some people that came to the live we just opened today. So yeah, so we have some people here. I would like for you guys to use your actual names. The reason why is due to the fact that you have to fill out documents depending on if you was put onto that as well. So let's go into it. You can customize everything. So if you want to change your theme and stuff like that, if you want to basically have things like this, whatever the case may be, you can change it to whatever you want. You can add your own custom theme to it. So you can customize your experience to yourself. That there. Then you have, if you want to get this on your phone, you can just basically grab your phone and then you open up your camera, or you get the app first, so you can get the app too as well. There's different ways to get it. You can go down here and click here. So if you want to get it on mobile, you basically click it right here. And then when you want to log in, you go here and then you just log in from your phone. Boom. It's really easy. Literally, it takes seconds. Like not even, sometimes not even a second. So that's that there. You can check your stress meter and stuff like that, all the type of things like that. You can check the pulse of the company, see if we're doing good, whatever the case may be, show you everything. And we don't use all the features yet, but we're getting there. Again, we just started, so that's there. You have all the messages. Once you join, you automatically will have access to me. You'll be able to contact me through here. So this is like our own Telegram. We have our own co-pilot, which you can basically just ask the question to any type of thing. If you need any type of information, we have a bot that can answer AI basically to answer any type of question. Head of sales, you can just ask the questions, click it, and then this person can just basically talk to you. So you have AI for that. Collaborations. This is for servers to server pairs. So when servers do business with each other, they make a collaboration, or you can collaborate with somebody outside of the whole ecosystem as well. So you can use that as well. These are channels. So did you make your own channel here? Go ahead and create your own channel.
As you can see, Great Dragon has created his channel for here. You go ahead and create it for your world. Basically, this is like a Discord or Telegram for you guys. And here, we don't really know what this is, so we don't really bother with it. You got the notifications, tells you everything. You'll see the HR bot will tell you, remind you, hey, you have something to sign if you are put in a position to signing anything. You can make phone calls out of from here. Once we add credits to it, we'll add credits to it, and you guys could make phone calls. So if you don't want to, if you want to basically make calls to any type of business or whatever the case may be, or do business with any other advertisers that we have coming to you guys in the future, you will be able to call, just do business. So you could use this as a business phone if you want to. So if you don't want to give out your personal number, you could just use that as a business number. So you have that there. Just have all your collabs right here as I showed you. You can set up the calendar. So if you want to basically add things to it, you can, this is your own personal calendar. You have the online documents. This is for when other people come in and do what they want. Like add things if you want to basically add stuff for people to know. For example, if you are studying the items in the games, or if you are doing a walkthrough guide or whatever the case may be, you can put it here and everyone can see it. Who have access to this? You can do a spreadsheet. Again, this is all in-house right here. You can do a spreadsheet for items if you're basically doing some type of study. Again, some type of walkthrough that is saying, okay, this item is doing good, this item is not doing good inside of this game, whatever the case may be. You can do presentations as well if you want to bring something to my attention, or whatever the case may be. You have all access to that right there. Do you have the drive? You can connect your Google Drive to this, and it'll just be you right here. This is all. No one else will see this. We do have the company drive as well. So you can marketing template. You have this here. You can go back here and get the documents, miscellaneous documents, which this is the term of service. So you can go ahead and click it and it'll open up for you. And you can read everything about it. You can also get the documents to sign. So these are the contract documents. I'm going to that in a second. And these basic documents of contracts with server owners versus server managers, and ISOs, which is server managers and operators. Again, those guys have a little more pull than server managers. All right. So then again, this is for Project Spartan, where we will basically run it for you for a price of $69.95 a month, $69.95 a month. And then if you are basically coming and fully engaging with everything, you just want someone to run your server, or you just basically want like assistant or something like that. Then you have here, and then you have everything that you need to know. We have it fully written out for basically how it fits our game to protect you both, and protect us three as well. And you can just basically fill these things out. So the webmail, this right here, again, this will only be on your platform. You can connect your email to this, so you'll be able to see emails. We won't be able to see anything. You'll be able to see emails. All your emails will be here, so you don't have to go to the platform to go look at your emails. Then you have work groups. You can create work groups for projects and stuff like that. So if you and your server manager, you guys actually, or server manager or ISO actually use this platform to create a business, you'll be able to create a business with inside of this as well. So if you server owners take this to the next level with, okay, we're going to do the exact same thing Seth did, hire people for ideas for inside of our server, come up with ideas for assets that we want to put in our server or into the whole game, to be honest with you, because you can actually put it, people can also buy it, and then you'll get a percentage of it. Just so many different things, making stuff better, meetings, all types of stuff like that. You'll be able to do all that stuff here. Another cool thing, we'll go back to the feed. You can also, if I go to here, we can do you can do video call with each other. You can do voice call. You can do Zoom meeting rooms. You can do all types of stuff there. So this is actually running a business. You can do tasks and projects. So we've got a task to you. You can see what's going on, everything like that. If you are a police officer, EMT, judge, and all of the city work stuff right here. You can clock in. If you are the server manager or the server owner that's basically paying these people, you will be able to do that here. You'll be able to see all of the hours they put in and stuff like that. You'll be able to also track it with, see if it matches and see how long they've been in the game and stuff like that. So all that stuff will be here. You have CRM. This is basically to track all the stuff that's going on, how much sales and stuff like that. So you guys will be able to see all of your sales, how much money your server has made. All that stuff will be in here. We'll be updating it so you guys will see how much money you're getting in the end of the month, how much airdrops are coming, all everything that's there. So you'll be able to plan everything here. You don't really need to go out to anything. If you want to book a meeting with me, if you want to book a meeting with someone else, it could be outside of this as well. You can book it here. You don't have inventory management. You don't have marketing. You can create sites as well. So this is Gray Dragon's site. So you guys can be able to create that, and you'll be able to see this is his site. This is Gray Dragon's site. So you can create websites and stuff like that. Like I told you guys, this is a lot that goes on into this. So when it comes to you guys signing agreements and stuff like that for me to approve to make sure everything is good, when you guys sign it, you send it off to us, and then we'll be able to view signing process and see the prince is checking. He has to check his thing, and then I approved already, so you can see all those type of things like that. So the prince has to come into here and then check the signing of that, and then it goes to signing, and then it goes to results, all this type of stuff like that. Then we will have it inside of our database. So everything that happens, so if any legal problems need to happen between two parties, then we will have everything for you guys. Again, here's the agreement right here. Going into this, and then you see it's under review. We're just testing everything out, and then these are the agreements right here. So after this is signed right here by the server owner, if it's with us, all this is signed by the server owner. Prince, our representative, basically whoever representative you'll go. We only have 3 right now. Representatives' names will be here. Boom. So you'll see your representative. What the representative will do is then take this to me. Boom. Put it, send it to me. Boom. And then I approve it and say, okay, everything's good with this right here. This is basically it's going to be like all of your stuff. So all of your stuff from your money, all that stuff like that. So here you'll be able to find everybody that's a part of the platform. So you'll be able to see we got a lot more that actually have to come in. Again, it's New Year's. I mean, New Year's is New Year's. So people are doing New Year things. Then you can set up automation yourself. Everybody can do this. Set up automation to automate their process and these type of things like that. You don't have access to these things, but these are the things. So this is everything that you want to run your server with, your business with, everything. This is what we use, and you guys will be using the same thing. It's no different. You guys have access to everything that we have, basically, other than like the marketing and stuff like that. So what we did with you guys, we gave you guys access to our drive right here. So the company's drive, you have access to all of those type of things like that. You'll be able to build whatever you want. Again, you can change the name of the server. You can change the logo and everything like that. Have a website where it's your game, your theme, whatever the case may be. And then all you got to do is just have it says to be able to play in this server, you must download Humanity Contain. That's it. So you can sell merchandise. You can even make subscription models. You can make your own assets, whatever the case may be. You can make your own. If players in there want their own gang, and they want their own, you can charge people for the gangs. So if they want their own gang, you charge them for that. If they want their own gang clothing and stuff like that, you charge them for that. And then you come to us, we put it inside the game, all those type of things like that. So there's so much that you can do when making this thing 100% yours. So when it comes to having ownership of basically like a franchise of Project Spartan and Hidn Studios and the Humanity Contain is basically having like 100% franchise. All you got to do is just basically just check up the updates that we're doing, look at the patch notes, come up with ideas to make people more engaged in your stuff like that. When it comes to people that's trying to make more money and stuff like that. Just come up with different ways on how to make yourself more appealing when it comes to getting servers. The more servers that you manage, the better you do with the servers, the more money you're able to make. This is a team effort against all across the board. So we're all here. If you have any questions, you already know what to do. Come talk to me. I respond to everybody, answer all questions. I have a lot of the trainings. I go live damn near every day. So you'll be able to ask questions as well there. And we basically, for 2025, our goal, my number one goal is to make sure I change as many lives as possible. Nothing like these other companies that be just lying and capping and stuff like that. My goal is really to change as many lives as possible. And how I did that was to make sure that I give you some of my revenue. All right. So if you have any questions, you already know what to do. Come talk to me, and I'm there for you.
Okay, so now that we got that done, now I will see you in the next training video, but I want to make sure that you understand that if you are a server manager or ISO, which is independent server operator, which just have a little more pull than the server manager, this is everything that you want to be at a master right here for the people that you work for, that we appoint you to. And then if you are a player that's playing as a police officer, just like I went over in this video, you want to make sure that when you go into the Discord that you're in, you have the server that you're in, make sure you join the servers, Discord, and then make sure you reach out to server manager and say, hey, I am a police officer that's out of the game. Give them your information that's inside of the game, and then they will be able to put you inside of the back office and yes or no, approve you to see if you can make some income. So again, I want to give an update though. So the update here is that we will now be paying every month for the airdrops, equaling up to every 3 months. So whatever that the lump sum that you must make. So we will basically pay every month to reach up to that large lump sum. So how much we owe you, we'll pay every month until that is done. And then all of your employees that gets paid, they will get paid first. Then we pay the server manager. Then we pay you for the server owner. All right. So see you in the next training video. Thank you for watching this video.